Good morning, brothers and sisters. We are over here at third phase of moon. This is a video they just posted today, and there's something I want you guys to watch. For those who think I might be a little nutty, that's alright. I'll actually unmute it. Look at how fast this spaceship is going across the sky. Just, it is hauling buns. I mean, it's not even joking around. Sorry, I'm getting comfortable. I'm so excited right now.
Once again, let's get a close-up look. I'm actually adding some brightness contrast. This thing is zipping across the sky, undulating. Quite interesting, but what's amazing is that we have multiple eyewitnesses, 3 in fact. Take a look at this.
Watch this. Right over here. See that? Boom. You see how it came out? There was a opening of a portal and it came out, and then the portal closed, and there it is. And it's moving. I mean, that's moving at a steady clip.
Let's get another look at this, a close-up, whatever this object is. We're glad we're having multiple eyewitnesses. Keep watching, guys.
Now, one camera
stuff on this encounter
from another person. So you saw the first one, this is the second one. Wait till you see the third one. Totally blow your skirt up, even if you ain't wearing one. Blew mine up, and I ain't wearing one. Good thing I had a pair of knickers on. Woo! This is exciting, folks. It really is. Oh, get out of here, you. Again, this is third phase of moon.
Now let's bring in the third eyewitness
Watch this.
account. Here it is. Multiple eyewitnesses.
See that?
People have their eyes on the skies. Watch.
Watch this. What does this look like to you? Huh? Come on. I'm hoping that some of y'all are seeing that going, oh, I know what that's from. That's right. N-1 Starfighter from Star Wars. Phantom Menace. This is the one that Anakin Skywalker flew in when he was on Naboo. Does anybody remember that? If not, let me give you a quick little rundown. There they are. Who doesn't love Star Wars? Especially with everything going on right now. Everybody, we should really be catching up on Star Wars and Star Trek and just kind of watching and see. Look at all the images, all the symbolism that's going on here. They're fighting a dark galactic empire. The Roman Empire, the Dark Cabal. Folks, there's so much synchronicities and symbolism. It's insane. So yeah, oh, look at little Annie. Darth Vader, you were so cute when you were a little kid. And then you turned out to be a turd. So now, back over here to third phase of moon.
People have their eyes on the skies. Watch.
We saw the ship. Now look at it up here. Look at that. Try telling me that's not what we're looking at, folks. Go ahead.
So, did you
Sorry.
see that we have...
That is absolutely an N-1 Starfighter.
2 accompanying orbs of this object.
I mean, look at that. You can see the wings.
Something built, some intelligence. Look at this accompanying orbs.
Now,
besides
is this part of Project Bluebeam?
Object.
I don't know.
It seems to me that there
is it
some
reality?
Kind of
is it really an N-1 Starcraft? Starfighter?
Like the Mandalorian's
I don't know.
A new ship that he acquired in the new
But it seems a little coincidental, don't you think?
Book of Boba Fett.
Oh,
right,
look.
What's your thoughts here? Yeah,
now they're using the Mandalorian.
Badass. Look at that thing. Streamlined.
So apparently they got the same idea as I do, huh?
It does look something similar to this capture right here, this still that we're looking at. And I'm really happy that people are on the ground and they really captured some really good footage right here.
Now these are 3 different people.
Screaming. Is it skipping across our atmosphere up in the horizon there, up in the stratosphere, or is this closer? This looks a little closer, and the way it's moving and captured in daylight, it's a pretty.
I would have
rare
loved to have seen
phenomenon.
this in person.
Is this more
absolutely loved it?
Craft that we're looking at, or just a celestial event? But then when we look at that other photo, and stills of what we're looking at.
Now
and
again, watch the
captured
upper
by
left here. You'll see the
multiple
portal
events.
open. See it
This
open?
is a good
Boom,
capture.
and then he
Let's
comes
look at
out.
this again.
And then the portal closes. See? Boom, closed.
Hey there.
Closer right now. That's what it's about. We're enhancing it, and we're getting the people's opinions in this live premiere. What it could be is a question that we want to find out. Could it be simply space junk or a meteorite?
No.
That
No
definitely
meteor looks like that.
is a possibility, no doubt about it. But when we look at this closer, and especially with the upcoming little enhancements with the accompanying orbs on its
Third phase of Moon
right
does do
and
a
left
good job
flank, that gives
of
away
being able to enhance
something
videos.
that seems, like I said, intelligence behind it. Look at this thing. It's just zipping. It almost looks like the video's fast forward, but it's in real time, indicating the fast rate of speed. Is this hypersonic experimentation going on above our skies, and this could be a craft with, who knows, accompanying orbs around it? Look at this. You see it left to right.
Now the thing
Those
I
orbs
will
are like
say
direct-
is that most people, when they have their phones, they have their phone in regular camera. And when you have it in regular photo mode or in video, when you go to pull up, it has an autofocus where it won't recognize what it's looking at. It won't recognize this, and so you see it kind of going out of focus and back into focus. So you see the orb light, then all of a sudden it comes back to this. Some phones have settings of pro mode where you can actually adjust your lighting and your focus, so you can have your focus. Like if something's far away, you have your focus all the way adjusted to the right, so it'll actually keep that focus. Where if you're like up close, you have to adjust the focus so that way it'll focus in closer to have a sharper image. My phone actually happens to have that, which is why I would have loved to have been there. I would have pulled it out, boop, and been recording, and it wouldn't have done that blur. It would have stayed looking like this the whole time. I also have a little, well, of course, timing would have had to have been perfect. I would have had to have I have a little scope that goes right on the back of my phone, and it actually zooms in, and then when you actually hit the zoom on your camera, you can get really, really close and get really good fine detail, and that's something I would love to be able to get out with that and just really be able to take a peek at it. So, folks, things are getting real. I mean, is this Project Bluebeam? I don't know. Is it real? There's a probability of both, to be honest with you. I mean, it looked like a portal open to me. It looked like something come out of it to me. And you have 3 different witnesses that recorded the thing. And I mean, would it be like a haha, let's mess with them and make it look like Star Wars? Yeah, that's a probability, because they know that people are going to recognize it. But at the same time, they've been telling us the truth in movies for a long time. Could very well be real. But anyways, stay safe out there, folks. And if you're a sub of mine, I definitely encourage you to come and follow Third Phase of Moon. They actually record. A lot of people send them their footage to get out for the public to see, and they do a pretty good job releasing it. So, and it's pretty raw footage. They'll show you the original, and then they go back and they show you what they do to it to try and enhance it, so you can see a little bit clearer image. And I think they do a great job. So everybody, I recommend go and subscribe to them. But remember to stay safe out there, folks. Eyes open. No fear. Look up at the skies. That's why I go for walks. Look up, look around, see what's going on. You might be fortunate enough to catch something like this. I mean, how would you feel if you walked outside and you looked up and you saw something like this and you got it on video and you're able to show people? You know, if anyone has any videos and that you'd like to get out in the public, but you don't want people to know that, that it came from you because, friends and family being shamed, hey, send it to me. I'll publish it for you. I'll like, hey, look at this. Psh, I'll put it out there for people to see. No problem. And if you want the credit for it, I'll say, hey, I got this from a friend, or I got this from XYZ, or your name if you want it. I'll totally give you the credit. My email is under the my about section on my channel. You go under about, and my email is in there. Email it to me. I'll absolutely put it out there. Or if you have videos you want me to just analyze and put some fresh eyes on it, I'll take a look at it, and then I'll respond and tell you what I think it is. And if you'd like for me to go with it, I'll go with it. I'm absolutely open for that. But remember, folks, love is the only way forward.